everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. JWO TV. So guys, join me and install my Shein wig. Okay, so before we dash into the video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, share and give it a like. Okay, so this is my Shein wig, and this wig is a Pixie coil. Okay, this is 150 density. So let's install it together. But before we do that, let's see how the wig look like and see what is inside this carton. Okay, this is the wig. Let's keep that one aside first. So it came with this hairband, then also it came with some instructions, then with another card. Everything is written here. Okay, then also it came with a wig cap, so I've already put in on this one. It came with this one also. This is 150 density Pixie coil. This is 8 inches. You can see it. 8 inches is very short. It's just like real hair, and the hair is very cool. I've already cut the excess net. Okay, then you have adjustable band here. You can still adjust it if you wish. Then you have this hook here. Look at it. You have this hook here. Then you have another hook by the side and another one again by the side. Look at it. You can see it. So I've already cut off the excess net. Then I just make up the net with my foundation. Okay, so now let's put it on. So I will not be using any glue. Okay, I just want to put it on like this. You can see the C part is a C part. Okay, you can see in case you want to bring baby hair. So I've already cut the baby hair here. Sorry guys, I'm looking at the other side. So I just cut baby hair here. So as for me, I don't want to do any baby hair. I just want to fix it like this. Then I use my hot comb to open the part very well. You see? Okay. Then this is my styling water. You can see it is not natural. This is my styling water. You know what I mean, okay? So I'm just going to spray some styling water. Look at it. Very comfortable. So I'm just spraying the water around the hair. This wig is so comfortable for work. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my hand and scatter it. Look at it, guys. Wow, this wig is so beautiful. So beautiful. So guys, if you want to get this wig, I'll be dropping my code. So go to Shein and make order for yourself. You can still comb it. Look at it. Wow, it's very beautiful. So I just need to spray more water, my styling water on it. Okay. Wow. Look at the back. So look at it. I cut this place just to bring out some baby hairs. But I will not be doing that one right now. I'm actually going to somewhere. Then I just want to style it like this. at it, guys. Wow, this wig is so beautiful. Very easy to install. So remember, guys, I didn't use any glue, just natural like this. You can see it. Look at the part. So this is where I cut the baby head. You know, I will not be using the baby hair anymore. So you can use your hand, scatter it. Look at it. So beautiful, guys. I love this wig. I love it. I love it. I'm in love with this wig. Okay, guys, look at it. So this is how it looks. The hair is actually very, very light. You can see it. See the parts? It's very, very simple. Okay, you can easily put this one on. You can use it to go to work, anywhere at all. It's very, very simple. That is the major part. That's the reason why I love this wig. Okay, so guys, don't forget to use my coupon code. You can see the code up here. Use it. Okay, so you just need styling water, and that is it. Just look at it. Look at it. Don't even need much time to style it. It's very, very simple, very easy, and very, very beautiful. Okay, use my coupon code. Go there and make orders for yourself. Look at it. Wow, I love it, guys. I love this hair. I love it. Just look at it. Look at it. You can still style it with ordinary water, but this one is my styling water. Okay, you can still style with just ordinary water. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you do, please do not hesitate to subscribe and also drop your comments, share, and give it a thumbs up.